Hey, this is Hutch Marone, your real estate agent in the north of Atlanta market. And thanks for hopping in the car with me and riding along. Today, we are visiting Gatewood neighborhood is in Alpharetta, Georgia, and generally consists of homes in the price range of $350 to $400. They are mostly 3-bedroom homes around 2,000 square feet. Many of them are on slabs. There are a few cul-de-sacs that have basement homes and a few homes on the outside of the neighborhoods that are basement homes. And so you have some choice there. This is a swim tennis neighborhood. They've got a little bathhouse, a small swimming pool with a big deck off of it, and one unlit tennis court. And I got some pictures of that for you as well. This is a pretty sought after neighborhood from the standpoint that there is a park across the street that's easy to walk to, as well as restaurants. So it's in a really good location near Windward Parkway for many people. Let's take a look. We'll drive around. I'll walk you through the neighborhood, or drive you through the neighborhood. Hey, again, thanks for hopping in the car with me and riding along. We're in Gatewood. It's a neighborhood in Alpharetta, Georgia. It's a bit of a cold, rainy day again. That's not normal for Georgia. So if you're from outside Georgia, don't get the impression that we have lots of rainy days, because we don't. We're just experiencing them this week. So, Gatewood. We are talking about mostly 3-bedroom homes on slabs. There's one available right now. On slabs, there are, along the back end in these cul-de-sacs, some basement homes available. Some of the homes are 4 bedrooms, but like I said, they're mostly 3. Somewhere around 1,900 to 2,100 square feet. The neighborhood was built in the 90s. Most of them are traditionals. About 10% or so are actually 3-bedroom ranches. They are traditional facade homes. There is a mix of stucco, plank, and brick in the neighborhood, as you can see as we drive around a little bit. There's also this one bright blue home, which I'm sure drives everybody in the neighborhood nuts. Not sure how that happened, but you can see the brick fronts here, fenced backyards. They're on, I believe, a little less than a 1/4 acre, many of them. Neighborhood generally runs 350 to 400. There's about 90 to 100 homes in the neighborhood, and there is one way in and one way out, which means that most of the people you'll have in this neighborhood or coming through are here to visit somebody, or they live here. Again, with these 1990s neighborhoods, you have various degrees of renovation that's gone on in many of them. Some of them completely remodeled kitchens, completely remodeled master baths and bathrooms, and then in others very little has actually been done. And of course, those are the ones that if they're on a slab, they're going to run closer to the 350 area. If it's fully renovated on a basement, it's going to run closer to the $400,000 mark. And again, if you have any questions about Gatewood or any other neighborhoods north of Atlanta, I'm happy to visit that neighborhood and give you a little update on it. Also, if you have any questions about specific homes, I can pull the information. Hey there, neighbor, walking the dog. And I can pull any information for you that you would like.